How to use conditional logic in organizers. Conditional logic allows you to show or hide specific questions or entire sections based on a client's previous answers. This helps create a cleaner, more personalized experience for your clients while collecting only the information you actually need. To get started, open your organizer template. When adding a question, you can set a condition so that other questions only appear if certain answers are selected. For example, if you ask, "Do you currently have an accountant or tax advisor?" you can choose to show follow-up questions only when the client answers yes. If they answer no, those additional questions remain hidden. In the conditional section, click the gear icon next to the question, section, or text block you want to make conditional, then toggle on conditional. In the question field, choose the base question that the conditional item depends on. In the answer field, select the response that should trigger the additional question, section, or text block to appear. By default, you can select one condition, but you can easily add more or remove any you no longer need. Depending on your needs, select all or any from the mode pull-down. If you select all, the secondary question or section is displayed only when a client answers all general questions a certain way. If you choose any, the secondary question or section is displayed when a client answers only one general question a certain way. Once you have set up the conditional logic jumps, a green conditions indicator appears to the right of the secondary questions, sections, or text blocks. You'll also see an impacts indicator to the right of the general questions all clients must answer. Click on the question to jump to it. To see your conditional logic in action, click the Preview Mode link in the top right corner. In Preview Mode, you can interact with the form just like a client would, selecting answers to test whether the right questions and sections appear as expected. When you're done, click back to Edit to exit Preview Mode and return to editing your organizer template.